Want your puzzles to match your brand or stand out on social media? Here's how to style your Sudoku with logos, titles, and layout. Start by selecting Sudoku Pick and Place from the Puzzle Type menu. Set the grid size to 6x6. It's a balanced format that works well in both books and posts. Find the Use Branding or Set Branding option on the Output Settings tab. Set up your branding layout and logo. Open the Branding tab to choose Automatic Title and Description options. Or use Custom Title and Description options. These will appear above or below the puzzle. In the Layout tab, select Unique Items to keep the tile set clean and clear. Set the tile set position to the right to create a layout that works well on screens or pages. Switch the symbol type to colors to create a vibrant and eye-catching puzzle. Choose 6 colors to match your brand palette or theme, or choose random colors. Now your puzzle is branded, styled, and visually optimized, ready to publish or share.